gotta go ahead and put the meat in this pan. And I don't really need to cook. They're cooked already. This is pre-cooked meat. I'm just gonna flatten it out and let it sit there. And I got my sesame oil here, already heating up in the pan. So put my rice in here onto the sesame oil. And that sesame oil gives it like a little bit of a smoky flavor. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna try to make this sort of the way I used to get it at this one place in Okinawa. Let's go ahead and beat up a couple of eggs. I'm gonna break the meat all up while I'm mixing the egg in here. See how I'm just kind of like letting the meat fall to pieces and stuff? Go ahead and mix this in here with the egg. Oh yeah, and then drop the temperature down. Once you put the egg in here, I should have dropped the temperature down before I put the egg in, because I want to get this in here. This is the seasoning. All right, throw my green onions over top, because you don't want these to cook too much. You just want them to cook in a little bit so they give you enough flavor. So this should all only take about 10, 15 minutes. Got some nice fried rice, pork fried rice. You can do this with the chicken. The pork is just really easy because it's already pre-cooked. But they have pre-cooked chicken breasts over there. I might try that next time. They have pre-cooked, beef. Oh yeah, no. One thing you could do if you don't eat, like cow or pork, you can try crab meat, imitation crab meat, or because in Thailand I used to get this crab fried rice. Oh my goodness, I haven't had it anywhere else in the world as good as they make it in Thailand, because but they were actually using real crab meat. So real that I actually got pieces of the damn claw in my plate, and they were like, "Oh yeah, this is how it's served." I'm like, with the hard shell inside of the daggone rice? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. You just like, you have to find the shells and eat it. And I'm like, it took me about an hour to eat that daggone fried rice. All right, well here you go, pork fried rice with the sesame oil and hard pork fried rice.